having with me the second and third generation entrepreneurs of EWS, Matthias Weigele, Sven Weigele, Pascal Weigele. Germans are very, very proud about their Mittelstand companies, the medium level companies run by families. Even in this place of Koengen, you can find a lot of companies which is run by the families. So thank you for having me here, Mr. Matthias. I met him a couple of months before at AMB and then at Imtex, and now I am here. And it's a very nice company. Thanks for showing me around. So how this journey of EWS started?
First of all, thank you for coming, and we appreciate your visit here. EWS was founded in the year 1960, actually by my father and my uncle and my grandfather. So we are more or less a third or fourth generation. In the beginning, we did hydraulic components for the chemical industry and for the machine tool industry. And in the year 1970, we started with the first tool holder manufacturing because we bought the first NC lathe from Gildemeister, and at that time, no tool holders were available. So my father said, "Let me do it by myself." And Gildemeister said, "If you do so manufacture tool holders for us as well." So that was the beginning of EWS, more or less.
You are talking about the same Gildemeister, the DMG machines?
Yes, correct. DMG means Degelmacher Gildemeister, and Gildemeister was at that time the turning tool manufacturing.
So I think, again, it's part of the history when they made the machines and EWS supplied them the tool changers.
Yes, exactly. We supplied the tool, and we bought the first NC lathe at that time. That was a really interesting circumstance.
Sven, I think you take care of the sales, the finance of the company. And how was your journey with EWS?
I started here at EWS in 2021. So at that time in the accounting department, and I took over the responsibility of the EWS group. So we have subsidiaries in the USA, in Korea, China, and also in Turkey. So I was managing the finance of the EWS group, and in the beginning of April, I will take over the responsibility for the sales for the EWS group.
Your father, Mr. Frank Weigele, he retired on 2021, I believe.
He left the company in the operational business at the end of 2020. So when the next generation started to join the company, he left. So Matthias is responsible to hand over all the business to the next generation. Yeah.
And Pascal, what was your experience with EWS till now?
Yes, obviously I am connected with EWS from the beginning. So even in the school holidays, I was here for some work to, for example, to be able to buy my first bike. I was here, I think, 3 weeks of work. And so I was connected in different departures here. And then it was very clear for me as well that I will study mechanical engineering, and did that with the Heller machine tool builder in Nürtingen, also in Germany here. Some of you maybe know them.
Many people know Heller.
I think so. And after that, I started with Sven in 2021 here at EWS. Focus is more to the production side, and I started as a lean manager here and started to optimize the processes in production and assembly. And currently I'm responsible for the planning of the production, and as well as the maintenance of our machines.
See, this is a very interesting combination. You take care of the money and he take care of the production, and now you are going to bring more and money through the sales. Now, Pascal, so I'm just trying to find out how you can make money being in the production department for the company.
It's a good question. How we can make money in the production part is to be more efficient, to automate our processes, as I'm a lean manager, to lean the processes, to be more efficient what we do. And also, I think where we can help, also the complete company, is to use our own products and to improve with our experience down in the shop floor what we can improve with the tools.
I just want to ask you, Sven, you take care of the finance department, and I believe that is one of the very, we can say, the strict department. You need to take care of the finances. You need to bring revenue, or whatever revenue that you need to save that money to take the company into the next level. And I also see that the products what you make, especially the EWS Varia VX, the tool changer for the turn mills, it is helping many industries to earn more profits.
Yeah, that's right. And that's our goal, to help our customers. Like Pascal already said, we also try to improve our processes, and that's what we are trying for our customers as well, reducing setup times. That's why we invented the Varia VX quick change system. So the customer is able to set up his machine very quick, one station in less than 20 seconds. This is very important, especially when you have small lot sizes and you need to set up very often, and you have the tool change that's necessary to do. And that's one of our big advantages, what we can offer to our customers.
I have one question for you, Matthias. Basically, when I look at India, there people find it very difficult to find the younger generation to come and take up the business, because people are not interested to go and work in the manufacturing. They like to go in IT. So there are challenges. But when it comes to Germany, like, I feel you are a very proud father, you're a very proud uncle, that the younger generation is very interestingly taking care of the business. More than that, they're innovating now. They are into the business. They are taking EWS to the next level. How do you feel about that?
I feel very, very good, because this is not usual, even in Germany, that you have young people, next generation stepping into the company. And I have to say, my father, or your grandfather, he let us do, my brother and me, he gave us the possibility to develop a company. And that is my goal too, I trust these young people, and they are doing very well. And so I'm very proud. And I'm really proud that I can bring them into the next level, because we are aging, that's clear, and we have a perspective for the future. That's good.
See, India is a very populated country. We have a lot of people, not like Germany. Germany have real problem of not having people. But in India, even the people are there. There is a lot of memes coming right now, reels coming right now, talking about how people are able to manage the Gen Z, the new generation. They are very challenging to manage. What is the situation in Germany? Managing the new gen in work.
Yeah, this is also a challenge for us. But I learned from you today, you are successful if you like what you are doing. And at the end of the day, it's not the question what you are doing, it's the question if you like it. And believe me, a lot of people have practical skills. They like to use the hands. And if you are in such a position, you should do that, And you have to love what you are doing, and then you are successful.
Pascal, you work in the shop floors. And if you need to take this company to the next level, you need more passionate engineers. So how do you think that you will be able to bring more and more youngsters to your shop floor?
I think we need to give the passion to the young people. And what we try to do is to digitalize our processes. So, for example, you have seen it maybe down at the shop floor. Every machine has its own monitor with all the KPIs and all documents digital available at the machine. And I think this is the way we go, and we try to get the passion of the young people to stay at the machine and to do this job.
Sven, I believe you are the most luckiest person in the lot right now, because you are going to a profession which I enjoy a lot. And I believe today what I am here is because of the people. I was in sales. I was meeting every day many people, listening to their challenges or their success stories. That became my success story. You see?
Yeah.
How do you see your new responsibility coming into it?
I'm very happy to get this chance. And even in the last few weeks, where I stepped into this new position step by step, I learned a lot from different customers, their needs, and I got to know very interesting people. You're right. I'm a very lucky guy that I got this chance, and that I can help the company to grow in the future, and that's what I'm working every day now.
You know dance? You ever learned drama? The gestures, the acting? You ever learned that? You see movies?
Yeah.
Okay, you understand those acting of heroes, the actors?
Yeah.
Because you are going to take sales and you are going to come to India, right?
Yeah, of course.
You need those because we are people who have a lot of, we talk with emotions. We talk with our face, it's different gestures we have.
Yeah.
And India will be a great market for you to learn a lot of things. I welcome you to India and we will see you soon there.
I'm looking forward to it.
I just want to ask you one thing, Matthias. Being a family-run business, I believe you are emotionally invested in your business. And that passion of being in the family also reflects in the business.
Yes, I think what I said, before, if you are burning for something, if you like to do something, and if you like to develop a company that means something to you, and I think, especially in a family business, this is the main issue, if it's successful or not.
Now, these two are going to take the next step along with their sisters. What's the message you want to give to the younger generation? Not just these two, but also to the younger generation outside there.
Yeah, be brave. Try to do something. Take a little bit of risk, but be also very down-based to know where is my route, and be careful with the people, treat them well, and I think so it's a good thing for the future of each company.
Thank you very much, all Weigeles who joined with me today. Thanks for sharing your insights, and I wish you all the very best. And I would love to meet you too. I seen Matthias coming to India, but we would like to host you both people in India soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming, Harry.
Yeah.
Appreciate that.
Thanks.